So just here today to do a install of the EIB Spotlight kit, and this is the Halo version, not the RGB version. Comes with the wiring, the mounts, fitting kit and the lights. These are the tools you need. Obviously remove your front bar and get ready to install it, and I'll do step by step on the install. First things first, you want to grab the brand new mounts that come with the kit. They go in from the inside of the bar. The holes, these holes, they go down the bottom so that the breather on the light is at the top. So the wiring goes down the bottom, which makes these holes down the bottom. You just line them up nice and square with this, like that, and you just make sure it's straight up and down, and you just push it in nice and square, just like that. And then your light goes in from the front. Put your wiring through. Light goes in like this. Then you grab your fitting kit. Comes with the Allen key provided. I recommend put this one in first, it's easier. You put that one in first and then that one next. Then tighten them up, don't need to over tighten them. You'll see here that the hole is elongated. That is so you have some adjustment of how this light sits in the bar, so you can play with that, how it fits in your car. Alright, so I've fitted both lights now, and this is how the wiring is. So the relay is bolted up under the light, just under the headlight. You can do this on either side, it works either way. That one goes up there to the back of the headlight, and that one is plugged into the original Spotlight loom on the XRs. Always cable tie all your wires up. There's a bit of excess wire, that's intentional, so you can drop the bar altogether without having to pull on the wires. The bolt in here is a 10mm. And I've run the wire for the other side across under here. I will cable tie it up to this one up here. It drops down here. So there's plenty there to get to the bar. And the last bit we've got to do is grab this, which is on the end of the wire for the halo, and then this has to get wired in. This is the only part of this kit that isn't plug and play, because there isn't any way to do it. That wire goes into this one. You'll see there's a brown and a black. Black is always negative, so black to black on this one. Strip the wire here, solder it in. Same goes for this side. I will do some more video after and show you how I've done it. This is also another product I'm doing for the BA and BF. I'm doing them in mild steel or stainless. Mild steel you can paint your own. But yes, they're coming out soon. So here you can see I've stripped the two wires, ready to solder these two on. And on this side I have already soldered them on. I just have to tape it up. These are so that you can easily remove the bar without having to cut wiring or redo wiring every time. There you have it, all wired in, all wrapped up nice and neat. Now this one goes back down to the parker to feed this one out the bottom. Plenty of wire from light to this with the bar down. Same on the other side. Just a note that not all have this style plug. Some of them have the bulb directly on the edge. on the end of this. Some of them have a connecting loom, so it may not look exactly like that. So with the bar nice and close like that, you can have all your wires plugged in or ready to go. Now before you put everything back together, test it. So halos are working. Ideally, well, normally you'd have your parkers in there on as well, but I haven't plugged them back in. These are wired into the parkers, and with high beam on you should have bottom spotties running as well. So with high beam on you'll have spotties on. In the XRs you get the little spotlight there, and you can turn the spotties off altogether with the button there.